that?
Are you supposed to have that, dog?
Is that yours?
I don't think
What
that's yours.
is that, jelly bean?
Easy.
What do you want the jelly beans for? They're not for doggers.
Is this your new toy?
What, is there no safe place? We're gonna find them.
As soon as you actually start chewing it, I think you're going to take it away. Absolutely nothing you can do about it. He's going to find somewhere out of sight to do it.
What's that? What do you have? Uh-oh. You got a jelly bean. You don't know where it is, though. Use your powers of sniffdom.
Didn't she eat it?
I don't think so.
She ate it.
Unless she swallowed it, she didn't eat it.
She ate it. She's getting bold in her old age.
Yeah, 4.
She's chewing that up right in front of her.
Well, you gave it to her.
You gave it to her.
Alright, yeah, but you took it away and gave it back.
I was messing with her.
Daisy, come here. Give it to me.